Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send a large video file through WhatsApp. So first of all, launch your WhatsApp application and open the conversation and tap on this paperclip icon, and here you have to tap on document, tap on browse other docs, tap on this three-line icon to the top left corner, and now you can select your file. You can select picture, video, audio. So I'm gonna selecting here picture, and I'm gonna selecting a random picture from here, tapping on send, and that's how we can send large video file through WhatsApp. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.